Go on the side. On the side. On the side.
Down.
Down. Down on the side.
Yeah, my car got stolen. And I was replacing this thing.
Dedication, my boy. Yeah!
Silent night. Hear that, what?
Listen. I don't know what it is about the snow, but I do not have the same energy. I just don't. Yeah, this job's almost over. This job's almost over. This job's almost over. This job's almost over. How was your experience with any move?
It's fantastic. 5 stars.
Thank you. How do you feel? We came in the snow. Was it good?
It's fantastic. Yeah, it's a great job.
Thank
Really
you very
appreciate
much.
it.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about. Any move. We get you right. Rain, sleet, or snow. Okay, we don't. All right, see you later. We were just checking to see if we left anything, but we didn't. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you guys so much.
All right.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Yes.
So sorry, my friend. So sorry. Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions. Smoking. Smoking, 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 smoking. Smoke! You back there taking a shit?
This is the last stop of the day.
Now,
My what? So my whole goal is to bring you guys more commercial clients, more luxury estate clients, and even long haul distance moves. You know, is that something that you'd be interested in?
yes, absolutely. And we would wonder if you would like to be interested in some new services that we have came up with, which is managing some of our people's OnlyFans. Would you like for us to manage your OnlyFans?
It's 5 o'clock, and this is how much has snowed since we went to go do the job. We've been at it since 9 this morning, and it's 5 o'clock. Pay attention.
Bleep, 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 bleep. That's all, folks.